What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're back in this week with another video for you. So today I'll be showing you guys how to build a security system using Arduino and Lego.
Before we get this video started, I want to say this one last time. We're almost at 250 subscribers, so keep subscribing and keep up the good work, and let's get straight into the video.
So the first thing you'll need is an Arduino Nano and a breadboard. So the breadboard is like under the Arduino. You will need a servo motor. I already extended the wires and they're glued on so they don't fall off. You will need an ultrasonic sensor, any type of LED. I'm using an RGB LED because that's 4 LEDs in one thing, so that's pretty good. And two 220 ohm resistors, and a buzzer, and a 6-volt battery, and this blue cable. Alright, let's get started. So now to explain the wiring. The GND is all the way on the right, and it's an orange wire. The GND goes on the GND pin on the Arduino. The one next to the GND, the yellow one, is the eco pin. That pin goes on digital pin number 10. The orange pin that's on the left of the eco pin is the trig pin. The trig pin goes on digital pin number 11, and the VCC5V pin, which is white, goes on the 5-volt pin on the Arduino.
The code is in the description below, so be sure to check it out.
Now for the servo motor, the yellow wire of the servo motor is a source pin. The source pin will go on to digital pin number 9.
And it's the blue wire.
The red wire extends into the black wire, and that is the 5-volt pin. It goes on the 5V supply of the Arduino. And the brown wire, which is the GND, extends into the yellow wire, and that goes on the GND pin on the Arduino. The first step to connect your RGB LED is to first connect one of these wires onto digital pin number 2, one of these resistors, my bad, from here to any open slot of your breadboard. I'm using these last 2 slots because there's nothing connected there. So there, that's digital pin number 2. And you take another resistor, another 220 ohm resistor, and you connect it on digital pin number 3, and you just extend it from here to the pin, to the wire or the square next to the...
Connect the second resistor next to the first resistor.
There, that's the resistors connected. And now it's time to get your RGB LED. My wires are already connected. The blue wire connects onto the first resistor. The middle white wire goes onto the GND. And the last wire, all the way on the left, the last white wire goes onto the second resistor. I'm not going to use this last wire because that's the blue LED or the green LED, and I'm not going to use it because you don't need to use that as of right now. So now let's wire it up. As I said earlier, the blue wire connects onto the first resistor. The middle white wire connects onto the GND pin, which is right around here. And this last wire, the last white wire, connects onto the last resistor over here. Now that's done. So here is the wiring for the RGB LED. And now it's time to connect the buzzer. For the buzzer, I got another breadboard, and I connect the buzzer like this. The GND wire is right there, and the source pin is right there. The source pin connects onto digital pin number 4, like this. Here is this wire, and you connect it to digital pin number 4, which is next to the second resistor right here, like that. And the GND wire comes from here, extends right till the nearest GND, which is over here. There, it's a bit hard to see, but like right there in that corner. So that's the buzzer and the LED connected. Now it's time to connect the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor. The servo motor's source pin, which is this blue wire right here, connects onto digital pin number 9, right there. The middle wire, the black one, goes onto the 5-volt pin, which is 2 pins to the left of the GND that we were using earlier. And here's the GND. Now those 2 GND things are full, so you can use this other GND, which is right here, right there, like that. So that's the servo motor connected. Time to connect the ultrasonic sensor. It's quite the same thing. The GND from the ultrasonic sensor is all the way on the right, or the left, whichever way you're looking at it, and it connects right here onto the same GND port. The second one is the yellow wire, the eco pin, digital pin number 10, which is next to the servo motor. Then the trig pin, which is the other orange wire, digital pin number 11. And last but not least, the white wire, which is a 5-volt, is right next to the servo motor's 5-volt pin. Right behind it, my bad. And there it is. That's the wiring for the whole security system. It's time to upload the code and check if the thing works. Alright, now we have all the codes written down and uploaded. So now it's only a matter of time before we get the security system up and running. The orange wire on my 6-volt battery is the 5 volts, which goes onto the VIN pin. There, that's connected. Now as soon as I connect the GND pin, the thing should start running. There we go. So now we have the battery inside. As you can see, the servo motor is right here. The LED is green, so that means everything is fine and nothing has crossed the sensor yet. Now you have to put anything in front of this ultrasonic sensor within 5 cm range, it will start working. Keep a close eye on the servo. There. Saw that it was turned on, and now it's off.
Alright guys, this is what we came up with. This is a fortress out of Lego. It's supposed to represent like a bank, and this is the door. Over here at this black piece you see, there's supposed to be the ultrasonic sensor. So, and there's supposed to be an intruder over here. So when he walks in, he's gonna open the door, and the ultrasonic sensor, the sensor is gonna detect the door, and the door will open. And over here is the cannon, and the cannon is connected to a servo. When the door is open and the sensor is triggered, the servo will push this trigger back and it will fire a bullet straight at the victim. And in our case, the victim has to be none other than this Lego guy. And that's basically how this thing's supposed to work. You can make yours similar or somewhat like this, and it should work just fine.
Alright guys, so here's the whole security system done. Here is a servo motor that pushes down the trigger. The ultrasonic sensor is right there, and the buzzer is on the breadboard because the buzzer is really loud. The LED is next to the door. Right now it's green, that means no one's in the way. And when you open the door, the person is behind it.
The person is right here.
And you just open this door. And you close the door, and everything stops, and it's back to normal.
So here's another angle. Okay. Set, go.
That was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 250 subscribers. We need to get there. You guys have been supporting this channel a lot.